So these headphones will run you about $600. First thing I want to talk to you guys about is the superb build quality of these Beyerdynamic DT 1770 Pros. These probably have the best build quality other than the Sennheiser HC820 and the Sennheiser HE1s that I've tried in the past. They're just built rock solid. You just get the feeling that these headphones will last forever. They're not gonna break on you. So yeah, the overall style is pretty good. However, I'm gonna say that I'm not a fan of the circular ear cups. So right around now, I'm missing the oval shaped ear cups of the Sennheiser HT660S headphones. So the round ear cups would have been fine if they would have made these ear pads a little bit bigger. However, since they are relatively small compared to the size of my ears tend to hit on the inside, and over time it makes it uncomfortable. So now let's talk about comfort. The headband on top works just fine. The adjustments for the ear cups work fine. So unlike the Sennheiser headphones, these Beyerdynamic headphones do have markings to tell you how much you've adjusted the ear cups up and down. So the construction is mostly metal. You do have some plastic right here. So as far as comfort, I would say that the velour pads that they originally come on with are actually pretty comfortable. The additional leatherette pads that come along with it are comfortable as well. But if I had to pick as far as comfort between the two, I would say the velour pads are more comfortable. Okay, so let me save you guys a lot of trouble. So the Beyerdynamic DT 1770 Pros are gonna come installed with these velour ear pads. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is get rid of them because they just sound horrible with them. I mean, there were just so many songs I came across where the velour ear pads just didn't hold up. The sound sounded really washed out, kind of muddy, and the highs were very harsh. Let me give you guys one specific example. 10:15 Saturday Night by The Cure. When the cymbals hit with those ear pads, it didn't even hurt my ears, it hurt my brain. I mean, it just resonated straight in my brain. It was just so harsh listening to that song with those ear pads. I was ready to trash these headphones, but then I said, let me try the leatherette ear pads. And sure enough, that was a much, much better experience. So yeah, in my opinion, the velour ear pads don't work very well with these closed back headphones. So once I put the leatherette ear pads on and I went back and listened to a lot of those songs, then it sounded much, much better.